Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. How very cousin Greg of them, John Mulaney and Nick Kroll lost on a succession-based question while competing together on the first episode of the celebrity version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire on Wednesday night. The two, who made it to the $125,000 round after using 3 out of their 4 lifelines, were asked the trivia. The standout item at a 2024 auction of memorabilia from TV's Succession was an extra-large Burberry tote bag famously described on the show as what? The answers included, A. Hideously expansive, B. Farcically behemoth, C. Ludicrously capacious, and D. Grotesquely sprawling. They opted for hideously expansive, but as any Succession fan will know, Tom Wambsgans made the disparaging remark that Greg's date's bag was ludicrously capacious at a party for Logan's birthday in Season 4. The two stars seemed thrown by the question from the start, debating the various options, before Mulaney joked, not to be a jerk, but if it's so famous, how come we don't know about it? The final lifeline available to them was asking host Jimmy Kimmel for help, which they decided to take. Kimmel reminded them that he doesn't know the answers to any of the questions, but did admit to being a fan of Succession. Ultimately he sided with Mulaney and Kroll in thinking that the answer was A or D, even telling them that ludicrously capacious sounds like too much to me. His final answer was A, which Mulaney and Kroll picked as well, but the host seemed stressed by the experience. I asked them not to have this lifeline in the show this year because it's too much, Kimmel told them. What other show does the host actually have to play? This is enough for me. When their answer was revealed to be wrong, Kimmel joked, you know what, I blame the writers. At the end, Kroll, who was playing to raise money for Comedy vs. Cancer, and Mulaney, who was playing for the Innocence Project, still walked away with $32,000 per variety. Some of the other celebrities competing on the show for charity this season will include Kenan Thompson and Kel Mitchell, Rosie O'Donnell and Lisa and Walter, John Stamos and Dave Coulier, Ray Romano and Brad Garrett, Zach Braff and Donald Faison, and many more.